Soil formation is a long-term process. It takes several million years to form a thin layer of soil. As soil is a complex mixture of various components, its formation is also more complex. The formation of a particular type of soil depends upon the physiochemical properties of the parent rock, intensity and duration of weathering, climatic and other parameters. Rocks and minerals at or near the Earth's surface break down into pieces by environment agents. This process is called weathering. The product of weathering are the major source of sediment for erosion and deposition. The process of weathering can occur either via physical, chemical or biological weathering process. Mainly changes in temperature, humidity or changes in the pressure in rock layer, etc. causes the creation of cracks in the rock surface. The number and size of cracks increase over time and rocks break down into pieces. Physical weathering results in the breakdown of minerals or rock material by entirely mechanical method, but no changes chemically. Chemical weathering is the alteration of the chemical and mineralogical composition of surface rocks. The result of this process is the disintegration of rocks. Several different processes including hydrolysis, oxidation, reduction, hydration, carbonation and solution result in chemical weathering. Biological weathering involves the disintegration of rock and minerals due to the chemical or physical agent of an organism. The organism that can cause weathering might range from bacteria, plants to animals. Weathered rocks remain over the surface is called regolith. Due to rain, snowfall, etc., water is added with regolith. Also, corpses of animal and plants deposit in the soil as organic matter. Leaching is the removal of soluble components of the soil column by water. Through the movement of water, wind, ice, or by the take of the accumulated materials by plants, new particles including clay, organic matter, silt, or other chemical compounds get leached and eroded or taken up by plants. Thus, the physical and chemical compositions of the new accumulated materials together with the soil parent's material are altered. The corpse of animal and plants which accumulates in the soil as a raw organic material was decomposed by microbes and changed into a dark colored matter called humus. Transformation is the chemical weathering of soil particles including silt, sand and clay minerals as well as the change of organic material into degradation resistant organic matter. Due to the oxidation of humus, CO2 and other minerals are formed. This process is called mineralization. Following transformation, materials from the upper part of the soil are transported by the water to the lower part of the soil profile. This process is called alluviation. The clay and other accumulated materials are washed from upper layer deposited in the lower horizon. This process is called eluviation. Soil organisms like plants and animals are also responsible for the transformation of the soil by the physical and chemical breakdown of materials. In this way, the formation of soil profiles start to take shape. A long period is required to form a soil profile.